everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Google Pixel 6a. Now, keeping in mind that this will delete everything off the phone, all your apps, all your settings, all your contacts, all your photos, etc. It will also remove any PIN that you had on it, so if you forget the PIN, this is a solution for that. But anyways, if you're ready to do that and you're okay with all that, let's get started. All you need to do is have your phone off, and then you're going to press and hold the power button and the volume down button. Simultaneously, press and hold it until this screen pops up. This is the quick boot mode, and you'll see you have this start option here. And what you're going to do is you're going to use the volume up and down buttons until you toggle that over to this recovery mode. Until it says recovery mode. You will hit the power button to select that, and then it will come to this menu here where you'll again use the volume buttons to toggle down to the wipe data factory reset button option. You'll hit the power button to select that, and then you will see you'll get to this confirmation page. Wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. If you toggle down to the factory data reset, once you hit the power button, there's no going back. Everything will be deleted. It'll take a couple minutes. If you click that, it'll take a couple minutes. And then once it's done, you can reboot your phone, and it will be like it did when it came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.